Happy Mother's Day to all the fly, beautiful, gorgeous women around the world. Whether you're a mom of children, whether you are a pet mom, a grandmom, a great-grandmom, happy Mother's Day to you. I'm celebrating myself by getting myself fly and making myself look beautiful, because when you look good, you feel good. And I've teamed up with RPGHAIR. They sent over this beautiful Wear and Go 9x6 Glueless HD lace wig. I'm going to be showing you how I install her, curl her, and add a little bit of pizzazz to her. So if you want to see how I got this look for Mother's Day, let's get started. Jumping right into it, this is a beautiful wig straight out of the box. As I mentioned, we're going with a Wear and Go HD lace wig. Here is a look at that pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut lace hairline. That is a lot. I'm showing you guys what it looks like under that white foam as well as in real life. Here's a look at the inside construction of the cap. They did include the most innovative removable combs in the back. I love this technology because it allows you to take them out and put them in. No sewing needed. Even the two smaller combs on the side are removable, and you can go ahead and just put them in, in your panty drawer or, in your hair drawer, and you'll be able to put them back as needed. They also included the adjustable and removable elastic band. So you definitely have options to customize your wig even before you put her on. Now that I have mine on, this is what she looks like. As I mentioned, this is a body wave texture, or maybe I didn't tell you. If I didn't, here we go. This is a body wave texture. She's 20 inches in length, 200% density, and the lace is a 9x6 HD lace. This is what she looks like on from the back. And as you guys can see, this is a one that looks really nice, fun, and flirty as like a flip over, no fuss type of wig where you can literally put her on and go. Here's a close-up of that beautiful pre-plucked, pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knot hairline, as well as what it looks like as a center part and a side part. When it comes to my reviews, I want to make sure that you get a real life experience of what the wig looks like, feels like, and all of the above, so that you know what you're getting, honey. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and start off by going ahead and just taming my sideburns. My sideburns have gotten really full over the last year or so, so I like to make sure I use my Bedeck Beauty Edge Control to tame them. This is going to help to blend them in with that lace, because the beautiful thing about a 9x6 lace is that you get the effect of a frontal, but you get a good like glueless fit without the ear tabs. So let's go ahead and bond her down lightly with a glueless adhesive. Of course, we're not using 𝐒𝐿𝐿, so I am using my Bedeck, which you guys already know is my favorite and really one of the best glueless products on the market. Key step is to make sure you dab off any excess. You don't want that residue or that buildup on your forehead or around your lace. Now I'm going to add a generous amount of 𝐒𝐿𝐴IR wax stick, and I'm going to pair it with the electric hot comb, and we're just going to go in and really make it go back really nice and sleek. Now, you guys know I typically would part out a nice little parting beforehand, but I was trying something different. I wanted to see what it would look like to just do a flat, sleek flip over, no parting at all. It was very tough to pull this one off for me because I'm typically so comfortable with having a parting as like my marker. So I kind of just wanted it to go back and kind of flip around, and I was trying my best not to add a part. You'll see in the end that I did add a slight side part just to kind of give it the look I really wanted. But at this point, I was using just that wax stick and that heat to kind of tame it. Next, I did decide to go with some baby hair. Another thing that I was trying to stray away from was baby hair, because you guys know I'm the baby hair queen, and really a lot of the times it's a hit or miss. Some people really prefer it, and some people don't like it at all. I just seen a clip from Young Miami where she said that baby hair always makes a wig look fake to her, but I personally feel like a wig without baby hair gives like really wiggy, in my opinion. It never looks like laid. It looks like a wig on your head that's just flat. I don't know. Maybe I am tripping. Tell me your preferences down below. I went ahead and trimmed my baby hair nice and short, and then I went ahead and tamed it with some edge control. I didn't want a uniform look, so I kind of had it go each and every way until I got my desired look. Now I'm going to take my RPGHAIR melt belt. I love it. It's so cute and pink. And I put it around my hairline so that my hairline can mold and set while we work on the ends. Now you guys can see this beautiful body wave texture really doesn't need much work. You can add a little bit of a serum and go, or even some mousse. I'm going to go ahead and add my heat protectant, and I'm going to use my Hot Tools big barrel curling iron to do some fun and flirty curls. Now, because this one already is a body wave texture, it's going to be easy for the hair to hold a curl, but feel free to use a hair spray as you go to really go in and hold those curls. Also, using some pins or clips will definitely help to make the curls mold as well. So I'm going to go in and curl all over until I get my desired look, and then I'll show you guys the finished look.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands.
Okay, here's what it looks like with one side done. Now let's do the opposite side.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, we are officially done. The curls are nice and full. I love a good 200% density wig. And look how that hairline laid perfectly. I'm going to go in with a contour powder to really set the hairline off. And I'm just packing this in generously all around. And just look at it, how amazing it blends with my skin complexion. This here is a perfect wig with the perfect lace tint. Now I'm going to go in and just kind of pull the curls apart lightly. Instead of just pulling them out for no reason, I'm trying to mold the hair in the way that I want it to look. I don't necessarily need all the definition of all these curls, but a nice like wavy look would be perfect. So kind of pulling them apart, but also being careful not to overdo it. And then of course I went in and overdid it. So I'm using the unbrush and kind of molding it. And I was really impressed with the body and just how the curls came out. I loved it, but it just was so weird not having a part. So I used my fingers to do a ever so slight part, not too much, but it just helped out. And I love the way this one came out. It's absolutely beautiful. And of course I got to do a little lip gloss. For some reason I only like nude lip gloss, but I've been trying to get back into colors. So this one here is from NYX. It's actually their plumping lip gloss, and I love that little pink look. So here I wanted to give you guys another option. I'm very minimal and just like kind of like messy wear and go when it comes to my hairstyles. So it's just showing you how to use a silk scrunchie, because we tried to use silk scrunchies over here mainly. And I just put the hair up, being sure to make sure that none of my tracks were showing. And look how simple and, you know, really cute and stylish that looks, literally with minimal work to add a style. Here I'm going to show you guys the packaging. This here is a look at all of the specs on my wig. This is the melt belt they included, which I used already. The dust bag, which says their logo. They included some HD wig caps, as well as a rat tail comb that says RPGHAIR.com on it, and a purple baby hair brush to match the packaging. So that's it, my loves. I really love the way this one came out. This was a flawless, beginner-friendly install. The wig itself speaks for itself. Look at how gorgeous the hairline is. Very high quality, and you don't have to do any of the work yourself. So I highly recommend. I'll leave all the details as well as a direct link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.